guys, Steph here. Okay, another gorgeous little pen for you today. Right, I'm not too sure where this came from. I think it may have come from one of my pen hauls. I don't recall, but I found it the other day and I thought, right, let's give it a clean up. We've cleaned it up, put a new sack inside, and it's absolutely gorgeous. What we've got for you, nice and simply, let's go straight to the barrel imprint. We've got a Watermans, made in England, and it's the L2 Fountain Pen. Okay, so a lovely clear imprint, as you can see there. If we turn it round for you, you can see it's got this sort of what we term as a spade lever in gold filled. To the cap, we've got this quite a large cap band to the bottom of the cap there, and we've got the what I term as the Watermans split clip, because it's got this sort of split, if you like, in the middle of the clip there. Very attractive in my opinion. It's one of the what I term as the later clips. And then to the very top there, we've got this cap stud with the sort of globe, if you like, from the early ideal sort of range, if you like, of the Waterman pen range. So all in all, and you can see to the top there, it's got this slight angle to the cap there, and I'm hoping you can see it comes in this gorgeous navy blue colour. The size of it capped is 134 millimeters capped around the barrel. The diameter is around about 10 millimeters in diameter, so it's quite a slim pen. It's a nice size pen, but quite a slim pen, but very attractive. The pen I'm dating sort of the late 1940s, 1950s. Okay, as you people know, for you regular viewers, you know, Waterman brought out many different models, etc. I would say this because of this sort of, yeah, well, although it's a vintage pen, it's still looking quite modern compared with some of the older models, so it's a later sort of model, if you like, within the Waterman range of pens, but a lovely, attractive fountain pen. As I said, it's all been done, all ready to go. We're going to try and find a new home for it. Somebody will enjoy this pen for many years to come, I'm sure. It's a quality made pen as well. Don't be put off by, you know, maybe it being a sort of slightly more modern pen. It's a lovely quality made pen. We've got the section there. You can see the section. Quite a plain section, tapers towards the nib, and then if we show you the nib, what we've got is a Watermans 14 karat W2, which is the correct nib for this particular pen, and then a B just after the 2, indicating, I would have thought, that it's a broad nib. There's a sideways view with the feed, and then if we show you the feed, you can see it's got this later feed, the more modern type, if you like, with the ribs to the side, and it's got this slight sort of groove or V shape to the centre. But as you can see, everything is lovely and clean, as it should be. So everything's been thoroughly cleaned. As I said, a lovely size pen. Now, I've got large hands, which I say all the time in my videos, and it's still nice and comfortable pen to hold. But it'd be interesting to see how it writes with this broad nib. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to fill the pen because we've put a brand new sack in it, and I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do a dip test just to see how the pen writes. So in fact, what I'll do, where's my tissue, just to the left here, so it's got a little bit of a blob on this section. Let's just give that a wipe, don't want it on my fingers. So let's see how it writes. So we've got a Watermans made in England, and we're dating the pen late 1940s. Let's give it another dip. So late 1940s to early 1950s. And as you can see, it does have a broad nib, as we can get a little bit of variation in the nib there. On the downward stroke we've got a broad line, on the cross quite a fine line, so yeah, maybe even a stub nib. Okay, so let's show you there. So you can see it's got lovely variation with this, quite a broad nib, a lovely writer, nice and smooth, a lovely writing pen. So somebody again will enjoy the pen for many years to come and have lots of writing pleasure with it. So let's screw the cap on, and there we have it. We're going to keep this one quite short. As we said, a Watermans L2 Fountain Pen made in England in this gorgeous sort of navy blue colour. Okay, gold filled trim. All the trim is absolutely lovely, no wear, no brassing, an absolutely stunning example. So let's find a new home for it. There we have it, a gorgeous pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen. Hey, as always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people, don't forget, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, don't forget, subscribe to the videos or to my channel, don't forget that either. But for now, I'll just like to say Slava Ukraini, and from me in this gorgeous pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.